Gordy.
All right, hey, welcome back in. We've got some cloud cover rolling into the northern part of the state ahead of some showers that are trying to inch in. I don't think we'll see a whole lot of that, but we can get the opportunity for a stray shower as we head into tonight. Southern Kentucky and central Kentucky keeping the sunshine around. They won't likely deal with this cloud cover for another hour or two, as temperatures have been nice and warm again today. Upper 70s to low 80s for everybody. We got real close to it in Lexington, 79. Lots of 81s on the map. Tomorrow, we are going to see temperatures uptick just a little bit, mid to upper 80s for us after we start the morning in the low 60s. The humidity is also going to climb and wind speeds will start to get gusty by the second half of the day and into the evening through the overnight. Gusts upwards of 30+ miles an hour will be in play. That's ahead of some storm chances that are going to roll in for us as we get into Thursday. Now tonight, here's the cloud cover starting to inch to the south. Again, can't rule out a couple of stray showers to come through for us here this evening. Most of us do stay dry though, as this cold front isolates most of the activity, at least the severe weather and the thunderstorm activity, well to our north. Again, the front swings by, a new warm front kicks in for tomorrow, and the next big thing is going to be tracking it out. Now, Futurecast, way off in terms of the intensity of what's going on this evening. Even still, it likes to fade a lot of that away. So the opportunity, again, for a stray shower tonight can't be ruled out. Tomorrow, we could see a couple of pop-ups come into play. Notice how Futurecast is very reserved in this note. That is very likely to happen as we head into our afternoon tomorrow. So what we really want to focus on is the opportunity for some stronger storms as we go into our Thursday morning. Now, there's going to be two opportunities for severe weather on Thursday. This is the start of the day, 5, 6, 7 a.m. A line of showers could bring some severe wind gusts with it as it weakens and fades out getting into Kentucky. Then we get a break through the middle of the day before a new round of development takes place for us in the afternoon. That is likely to bring thunderstorms that train along a very similar line. So these areas that do start with the thunderstorm activity and hold it likely have repeat showers and heavy rainfall. Could lead to some beneficial rainfall totals, but also a slim chance for the possibility of some isolated to localized flash flooding concern. And it continues with more storms developing through Friday morning and Friday midday before we finally fade away. So the biggest concern, I think, will be that opportunity for maybe some localized flooding. There is the threat, again, early Thursday morning for isolated damaging wind gusts. Better opportunities in that later day wave to bring us maybe some large hail, wind, and an isolated brief spin-up tornado as well. A level 2 out of 5 risk for Thursday afternoon and evening, highlighting most of the state. And that will be what we need to focus on outside of those flood opportunities. What we're talking about in the next 3 days in terms of rainfall, good ½ inch to an inch to, in some spots, isolated amounts upwards of 2 inches are going to be possible for us as these waves of showers and storms come through. That will help, but again, our drought monitor is extreme in some cases, and we are not going to be able to get rid of that completely with just this round of showers and storms. Looking towards your Father's Day weekend, things look pretty good, very comfortable Saturday. Storm chances come back though late Sunday and start next week with more beneficial rain, possibly a few strong storms to watch. That'll be a weekend problem once we get there.